My name is Vijaya Krishna. I am heading the IT team in Bharat Fritz Werner. BFW, it's a machine tools and leading manufacturer in India. We started operations in 1961. Next year is going to be a 60th year for us. We make milling, turning products and serve across the region and also some exports. That is our strength, and also we have another sister concern called M2 Next. That is a next gen IoT Industry 4.0 operations and all solutions we are providing to the various spectrum of auto, defense, aerospace and other various organizations we are doing business with. We know ESDS for long. In fact, my previous engagement also we had a chance with interact with their leadership and all. Once we are actually looking for co-locating our data center in Bangalore, then we are looking for other players. Then we came to know ESDS started a new data center. So because with that only we started our relationship and this engagement started here. The IT requirements what we had is we want to co-locate and manage with the managed services our data center here, where we are putting our SAP workspace and S4 HANA we started the implementation. With that we want to have also a DR, disaster recovery as a service. So with all the we need expertise in storage, backup, managed services, everything. Based on those current requirements, we found the ESDS is a right partner. We moved with them actually. BFW got solutions from ESDS like data center, managed services, then DR, disaster recovery as a service. This is a tailor-made because we actually gone for a SAP implementation, and this is related purely on SAP related services, and it's an ideal match. So we took all these services, and also then afterthought we also gone for a storage as a service and backup as a service from ESDS. All this we obtained and we are happy with that actually. See, so far before ESDS, we are kept our all servers in our own server room, and which is not continuously monitored. Now after that moving to the ESDS, now we are getting a 24/7 support, and any alerts like any issues in the hardware or software or storage or anywhere we get a real-time alerts, and it's been continuously monitored, and so that we know that its services are continuous and it's no disruption. So 24/7 support from ESDS Bangalore, and as well also your other teams in Nashik, they are monitoring it closely. So we are now confident that the critical infrastructure, which is to ensure business continuity, is in safe hands now. See, ESDS is a proven player in the Indian data center industry with a wide experience, and I would say ESDS, the main thing is they put customer first. We are actually, like when we are asked many sudden out of the box requirement, they are open to listen and willing to support us. So that way I would say, I would recommend to peers ESDS, because this is the key. Because in IT industry, that too particularly in a data center where we need 24/7 support, and suddenly something may go wrong, something may suddenly will creep up. They are not particularly looking at on a fine print said this is what you agreed upon. They said okay, this is the issue, we will address, then we will see what can be done later. Instead of putting a rule book and say this is what you have to do, or we will not do, it's not in our scope. That is not there. ESDS really puts the customer first, so that they support us out of the way also. When we started off planning to migrate from our office server room here to the data center, one thing we found is our existing storage doesn't support the migration of data properly. We could not able to bifurcate that storage and move it or copy it also. So this is a sudden challenge we realized. We explained the situation to the ESDS team. What they did is they brought their own storage and put it here, and they did only the copying and everything beforehand. Even for that matter, actually before even we actually moved our servers, they said we will start supporting the servers remotely here. So what has happened only is the continuity is very smooth. Then the transition time, when we had this sudden unpleasant surprise, we could not able to move it. ESDS immediately stepped in, they brought their own storage and copied everything, and the same thing we moved it and made it up within that stipulated downtime what we agreed upon. That way we are extremely happy. Like, you know, what we had a problem, we are not actually moved, but their team came here and supported us. We saw that we are able to overcome that. That is like, you know, they went to the extra mile and supported us in this way. ESDS means the moment we come to know, we can correlate with the data center and disaster recovery as a service. Now they are also having with a lot of SAP services also coming up actually, and also like other co-location options like email solutions, storage, network and backup as a service. So we went with the ESDS for a managed services in SAP and storage and backup. So I would say they can provide a government of locate, we can pick and choose many services. We are happy with that, and slowly as our business requirements grow, we will be asking them more, and I am confident ESDS can support us.